All present tenses in English. Quick lesson. Welcome to English with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to learn all the present tenses in English in a simple way.
Yes, that's right. We will cover present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous with easy examples so that you can understand them quickly.
Let's start with the first one, present simple tense. This tense is used for daily routines, habits, general truths, and facts. The structure is subject plus base verb, and if the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or s to the verb.
For example, I play football. She plays football. They eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. He goes to school every day. The sun rises in the east. These are present simple examples.
We also use present simple for repeated actions. For example, I always drink tea in the morning. She often visits her grandmother. They usually go to the park on Sundays.
For negatives, we use do not or does not. For example, I do not like coffee. She does not play tennis. They do not study at night.
For questions, we use do or does at the start. For example, do you like apples? Does he work here? Do they play cricket?
Now let's move to present continuous tense. This tense is used for actions happening right now or around now. The structure is subject plus am, is, ar plus verb plus ing.
Examples. I am speaking. You are listening. He is reading a book. She is cooking dinner. They are playing football.
We also use present continuous for temporary situations. For example, I am staying with my friend these days. She is working in Lahore this month.
And don't forget, we use present continuous for future plans as well. For example, I am meeting my teacher tomorrow. We are traveling next week.
For negatives, we add not. For example, I am not sleeping. She is not writing. They are not coming. For questions, we change the order. For example, are you listening? Is he watching TV?
Now let's explain present perfect tense. This tense connects the past with the present. The structure is subject plus has have plus past participle.
Examples. I have finished my homework. She has cooked dinner. They have gone to the market. We have watched that movie.
We use present perfect to talk about experiences. For example, I have visited Karachi. She has traveled to London. They have never seen the sea.
We also use it for recent actions. For example, I have just eaten. She has already left. They have recently moved to a new house.
Negatives are made with have not or has not. For example, I have not finished my homework. She has not seen that movie. They have not visited Lahore.
For questions, we put have or has at the start. For example, have you eaten? Has she called you? Have they completed their work?
Now let's go to present perfect continuous tense. This tense shows actions that started in the past and are still continuing. The structure is subject plus has, have plus, been plus, verb plus, ing.
Examples. I have been studying for 2 hours. She has been cooking since morning. They have been playing football all day.
We use present perfect continuous with time expressions like for and since. For example, I have been learning English for 3 months. She has been waiting since 9 o'clock.
This tense is also used when we want to show that an action started in the past and is still happening now. For example, they have been working here for 5 years. He has been living in Karachi since 2018.
Negatives are made with has not been or have not been. For example, I have not been studying. She has not been working. They have not been coming regularly.
For questions, we start with have or has. For example, have you been studying? Has she been cooking? Have they been playing?
Now, let's give a short comparison. Present simple is for routines and facts. Present continuous is for actions happening now. Present perfect is for actions connected to the present or experiences. Present perfect continuous is for actions continuing from the past until now.
Let's make this clear with examples. Present simple. I play football every Sunday. Present continuous. I am playing football now. Present perfect. I have played football today. Present perfect continuous. I have been playing football for 2 hours.
Another example. Present simple. She works in an office. Present continuous. She is working right now. Present perfect. She has worked in this office before. Present perfect. Continuous. She has been working in this office since 2019.
One more example. Present simple. They live in Lahore. Present continuous. They are living in Lahore these days. Present perfect. They have lived in Lahore before. Present perfect. Continuous. They have been living in Lahore for 5 years.
Now let's practice a small dialogue. What are you doing? I am studying English. Have you finished your homework? Yes, I have finished it. How long have you been studying English? I have been studying for 2 hours.
Another dialogue. Do you play cricket? Yes, I play every weekend. Are you playing today? No, I am not playing today. Have you played already? Yes, I have played in the morning. How long have you been playing cricket? I have been playing for 3 years.
These examples help us to see the difference between all present tenses. By using them correctly, we can make our English speaking much more natural and fluent.
Now let's do a quick review. Present simple is subject plus verb, used for habits and facts. Present continuous is subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing, used for actions happening now.
Present perfect is subject plus has, have plus. Past participle, used for actions that connect past to present or for experiences. Present perfect continuous is subject plus has, have, plus been plus verb, plusing, used for actions continuing from the past until now.
So today we have learned all 4 present tenses. Present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous with their examples, negatives, questions, and comparisons.
That's what we have covered in this lesson. Keep practicing these tenses and use them in your daily life.